heaven, and he can still watch us when he's in heaven.
Yeah. Do you want to see Lolo's grave? Yeah? You want to go there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hey, may ito kuya.
Oh, there he is. What was he doing?
That's for your Lolo.
No,
your
why
grandpa.
was he there? Why is he there?
This is therapeutic clinic. Right here, the left. Bicycle. Good job, boys. You guys are good boys. Huh? Tell the person to walk to school. Yeah.
Tricycle is flying.
Hi, Dawson. Naglakad na lang kami papunta sa sementeryo kasi ang ganda naman ng weather guys. Hindi ganun kainit. Tapos sanay naman talaga yung mga yan sa paglalakad. Nakikita nyo naman sa vlog namin na halos araw-araw lalo na sa hapon ay naglalakad-lakad kami doon sa Amerika. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam ay never na na-meet ng kambal ang kanilang lolo. Pero dati nagbibideo ko lang sila kaso nga lang maliit pa yung kambal, hindi naman nila maalala guys. So 3 years old ang kambal nung namatay ang aking tatay at hindi nga rin sila nakasama kasi yun ay kasagsagan ng COVID. Kaya naman hindi rin nila na-meet in person kasi nung dapat uuwi na kami ay nagkaroon nga ng COVID. Ngayong malaki na sila, paulit-ulit nilang tinatanong ang kanilang lolo. Buti naman meron akong mga video at mga pictures na pinapakita sa kanila. So this is the second time na nakarating dito ang kambal sa aming probinsya at second time rin nilang nadalaw ang kanilang lolo. I'm sure na kung nasaan man ngayon ang tatay ko ay proud at happy siya sa kanyang mga apo.
Hey, Lolo.
That's Lolo right there.
They're washed.
Wash?
I washed them in the...
Why?
Now it's gonna...
Get here.
Why are you guys playing with your dad?
Leave my
He
underwear
won't
alone.
stop throwing them
Do
at
not
me.
touch them.
Foul.
No
Don't
one
touch
touches
it.
Don't
it.
do it. I'll over the edge outside.
Daddy, it's wet.
Disgusting.
That's not disgusting. That's good. Yeah.
Ew, did you just smell them?
Oh.
They don't stink. Feet, guys.
Say, can it, Dad? We're busy.
I'm vlogging. Now they can see your feet.
Daddy, I'm coming.
No, that was for Tay Tay.
Oh.
Oh.
Dad's feet got burned today
who?
from the sun.
For real?
Daddy didn't put some sunblock.
No,
Oh,
my
you
feet.
got me.
Okay, you gotta get the
Come
top of my
on, come
feet.
on.
Easy.
Tuwan-tuwa si Brayden.
It's funny feet.
Okay, go get Taylor some more.
Stop.
What? There's nothing wrong.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
go ahead.
actually gonna kill you.
Oh, no, put some on Daddy. Want some more,
You need
Daddy?
lotion.
Yes.
You can put it on Taylor.
I want more.
I'm all
on
done. I'm all done.
I
putting
want- you
lotion
need
on.
more.
I want
Taylor.
more on Daddy.
Give
I
him
want
some
more
lotion.
on Daddy. And I'm gonna
You
put
gonna knock
more
him
on
off.
Daddy.
I'm not.
I need more on Daddy.
Stop, boys. I'm all done.
It's the top of my foot.
Are you here? Let's go
Then
put
you
some on
won't.
Daddy then.
Okay, let's go.
You can get Taylor.
And let's get his legs.
Here,
I don't
actually,
need
for
it on my
Daddy,
legs.
hold on.
That one is it because it's not like a fresh word, like a fancy one or whatever. But they do sell like only like the high one piece content. Better. Yeah.
Okay, madam, get that one for me.
Yeah. Ay, bayad to ng, how much is it? 100 the biggest one?
Oh no, it's like 180 for like the
Okay,
concentration that I had. But that's not the highest concentration.
it's,
Okay, I got my spine.
ano ng mga Dora, the Explorer. No, hanggang pakabutin dito sa tarpuan.
Yeah, remember? There's a playground here. You're playing here with Tita Ann. Pakainin ko muna ang aking mga alaga bago kami pumunta sa bahay ng aking nanay. Kaya ayan, ang kambal guys ay antok na antok kasi hindi pa sila masyadong nakaka-recover sa kanilang jet lag. So, mess up pa rin ang schedule ng pagtulog nila. Pero once na nakarating sila sa bahay ng aking nanay ay biglang gising na gising dahil nandun ang kanilang mga pinsans.
You want to pet it?
See, come on. Dala si Brayden. Ayan na.
Oh my god, that one just touched me.
Nagising na.
Each one in one.
Hold it, Brayden. Hold it. Hold it.
Talking about a bird.
Come on. No. Ay, ipakita mo sa iya kung paano hawakan. Ganyan. Like, look. Show it. Ipakita mo sa iya kung paano. Ganyan, Bray. 2 hands. Come on. 2 hands.
Lupad yun na yan.
2 hands. 2 hands. Make sure you're there.
It's gonna take off on him. You better help him. Have him help him. Okay.
Kay ginlalanat Permi ayo, ginlalanat ito ni Ra Permi. Kung makakita si Ra, ilalanat ni Ra.
Get it back to him.
Dawson, you wanna?
Let go of it. Don't put it in your face.
Yeah, just gonna.
He's gonna break its wing.
He go break his.
Power's out. Then,
What are you doing?
hey Jen,
What?
get me since I gotta be out here. I won't survive in there.
Boys, you have to stay close. No, show. Brayden, come here.
Nawaran ang wifi pa daw.
Nawara. Buti na lang naka-upload na ako.